Hi, Jeff Ramos at your service. Kung nanonood ka sa video na to, sigurado kung gusto mong malaman kung ano itong online grocery opportunity na sinishare namin. Sa video na to, ipapakilala namin ang pangalan ng kumpanya, ang background ng kumpanya, ang partners, at ang rason kung bakit i-grab mo ang opportunity to. So please watch this video. Hi! We are here in our main office right now, located at Capital Square Mall, Iscario Street, Cebu City. Ang pangalan po ng company namin is Planet Mobile Business Club. Kami po ang unang network marketing company na may online grocery product and services. Maraming taong nagdududa or hindi sigurado sa networking. Kasi daw, maraming kumpanyang networking na scam, maraming networking company na nagsarado, at maraming taong hindi kumita sa networking. However, iba po si Planet Mobile Business Club. Sasagutin ko po yan one by one. Guys, nagsimula si Planet Mobile noong 2012. And since 2012, wala po kaming bad publicity sa newspaper, TV, or radio. And imagine this, ang mga partners po ni Planet Mobile Business Club are multi-million peso and multi-billion pesos company. Kumbaga, kung ito nga mga dambuhalang company naniwala kay Planet Mobile, tayo pa kaya? Tama po, di ba? And let's talk about companies na nagsarado and mga taong hindi kumita sa networking. Ano bang mga factors niyan? Isa sa mga factor niyan is produkto. Imagine this, kahit ikaw wala kang background sa networking or hindi ka magaling mag-sales to, don't worry. Dito sa Planet Mobile Business Club, napakadali po ibenta ng mga produkto kasi ginagamit mo everyday. And that makes Planet Mobile a stable and a wonderful business opportunity. So in my next video, I'll be giving you more reasons why online grocery business is the next big thing. Again, my name is Jeff Ramos. To God be the glory and may your dreams come true. Hi, it's me again, Jeff Ramos. Sa video na to, I will be sharing more reasons why online grocery business of Planet Mobile is the next big thing. So let's start with number 1, consumable. Imagine this, bakit kaya maraming mga 7-Eleven, Family Mart, mini-stop businesses or convenience stores na naglalabasan ngayon? Why? Because these businesses offers consumable product. And that's Planet Mobile Business Club. Ang produkto po ni Planet Mobile Business Club are consumable. So, mabilis ang turnover ng produkto. Hindi natutulog yung capital mo. Let's talk about reason number 2. Planet Mobile Business Club offers a marketable product. See, ang mga produkto po natin sa Planet Mobile is naka-advertise sa TV. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-explain. Wala nang demo-demo. So, what does it mean for you and me? We have a profitable business. Let's talk about reason number 3. Sabi nila, kung sasali ka daw sa isang networking company, dapat consumable ang produkto at dapat unique. Planet Mobile may not have a unique product, but Planet Mobile has a unique concept. Ano bang usual na nangyayari pag nag-grocery ka sa supermarket? Di ba may mga cash rebate, may mga points rebates ka makukuha every grocery mo sa supermarket? But Planet Mobile offers a different way. Instead of points po ang babalik sa'yo, cash rebates po ang babalik sa'yo. And I think that makes Planet Mobile a very unique opportunity. And ito pang malupit. Sa Planet Mobile, if ever nag-grocery ka personally, meron kang cash rebates. But the moment you invite someone or refer someone to buy in Planet Mobile, may rebates ka rin po sa mga purchases nila. And remember, it's not points, it's cash. Let's talk about reason number 4, business opportunity. Pero para mas maintindihan mo po yung business opportunity na sinasabi ko, let me start with a question. If ever you'll be given a chance to be a doctor and earn 6-digit income per month, will you grab it? Of course, ang sasabihin mo, oo, ang laking income naman yung 6-digit per month, Jeff. Bakit ko papakawalan yan? Now, here's the second option. If ever you will be given a chance to be the owner of the hospital where that doctor is working, will you grab it? That's a tricky question. For sure, ang sasagutin mo, yes, Jeff, I want to be the owner of the hospital. Now, that's my point. Would you like to be a consumer forever na walang kikitain sa mga groceries mo? Or would you like to be a businessman where you can earn from every groceries ng mga tao? So that's Planet Mobile Business Club. We're not just offering consumable, marketable convenience to people. We're also offering business opportunity sa mga taong naghahanap ng magandang negosyo. Let's talk about reason number 5. System. Para mas maintindihan niyo po yung system na sinasabi ko, let's try to make a comparison. Comparison about sari-sari store and Planet Mobile. Let's say you will start a sari-sari store business na worth 50,000 ang capital po. And ako po, magtatayo po ako ng Planet Mobile business which is lesser than that capital. Let's talk about fact number 1. The moment po ba na mag-post ka sa Facebook with your sari-sari store business, pwede po bang mamili ang mga taong nasa Luzon, Visayas o Mindanao? Di ba hindi po? Bakit? Kasi limited lang po yung sari-sari store business mo sa territorial boundaries mo or sa location mo. However, on my end, as Planet Mobile member, habang dumadami po ang offices ni Planet Mobile, hindi ko na po kailangan mag-add ng capital. At habang dumadami po ang offices ni Planet Mobile, lumalaki po ang market ng negosyo ko. And that's one of the factor about system. Yan po isa sa mga sistema ni Planet Mobile na gustong-gusto ko. And let's talk about credit card and debit card payment. Kung may mga tao po bang mamimili sa sari-sari store mo, and they will use a credit card and a debit card to pay you, posible po ba? Di ba hindi? But here in Planet Mobile Business Club, the moment you will pay credit card or debit card, tumatanggap po kami. Because we have an online system who can do that. And that's business for me. So may chance po ang business kong lumago anytime. So that's what I like about Planet Mobile Business Club. Meron po siyang sistema na pwedeng mag-capture, na pwedeng magpalaki ng negosyo mo worldwide. So that's the 5 reasons why you should consider the online grocery business of Planet Mobile. I hope may mga natutunan po kayo sa video na to. So let me just try to summarize everything. So number 1, we have a very consumable product. Number 2, we have a very marketable product. Number 3, we're offering cash rebates po dito, hindi po points. Number 4, binibigyan po natin ng business opportunity ang mga tao. And number 5, we have a system to penetrate the worldwide market. So kung interesado kang simulan ang Planet Mobile business, please do watch my next video. Doon ko po i-explain sa inyo paano po magsimula sa Planet Mobile at magkano po ang puhunan ni Planet Mobile Business Club. Again, my name is Jeff Ramos. To God be the glory and may your dreams come true. Salamat.